Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to like posts on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. First here, choose any post you want to like it, and for example this, and here you will find this heart icon. Click on it, and it will be like, and that's it. That's how to like posts on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.